What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Man, as y'all can see, I got the Z06 up on the race ramps right now. I'm about to replace this busted up front splitter. Got my new front splitter, stage 2 from C7 Carbon. I'm thinking about leaving the winglets off. The reason I ordered the stage 2 is because I already had the winglets, the stage 3 winglets, so I didn't need to buy another stage 3 spoiler front splitter and get another set of winglets when these are not even bad. So right now what I'm doing is taking off this front splitter. As y'all see in the last video, I installed the LED side marker lights on my Z06. I still haven't gotten around to doing the diffuser fins. I'll probably do that next video, but in this video we're gonna focus on doing this front splitter. So y'all just stay tuned and watch the video. All right, now y'all see I got the damaged front splitter off. This is what the Z looks like, man, without the splitter on it. Man, looks like a freaking Stingray. But let me show y'all the damages on this front splitter. I'm gonna take these winglets off. Man, this thing was damaged bad. Let me get at this angle. The sun's all in the camera. You can see how damaged it was. Pretty bad. So now I'm gonna go unbox the new one, and we're gonna start putting the new one on. And I'll probably change oil in this video also, because I need to change oil in the Z. So I'll probably do that here in a second. All right, I'm done changing the oil. Got the bolts back in the pan and new filter in. So got my new oil, Mobile One oil right here. You know, the Z06s call for the new ESP formula 0W40 Mobile One. So that's what I'm gonna use. They call for 9.8 quarts. So I'm gonna do already filled up my filter with some of this oil right here. So I'm gonna use these 9 quarts. There's 6 quarts in here. I put 3 more on top, so I'm gonna use that in about 3/4 of that, and that should put me at about 9.8 quarts. I have to crank the car up, let it warm up in order to check it. You know, let it warm up for about 10 minutes, let the temp get up to about 175, and then I can check the oil level. And I'm about to go ahead and fill the car up with oil and crank it up and check it. front splitter installed. Got the LEDs all in. Oil change. Only thing I have left to do on the car now is the rear diffuser. Man, it looks like a new car again. Beautiful. So I can see it's dark now. I've been out here trying to get this damn splitter on and oil changed for a while. Finally got it complete. These LEDs really set the car off though. I'm just letting the car warm up now, letting it get up to temp so I can check the oil. Let's see. Oil temp is getting up there. Yeah, I gotta let it get to about 175. And then I'll check the oil level. But there she go, man. I'm gonna end this video right here.